Thor, Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over these three free tips on how to bring in more customers and help grow your business. So first off, we do want to build out a quick little website so that way people can, see who you are, what you do, and bring that value to them. And so first off, after we build out that website, being first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. So Google loves words. The more words that you have, it's easier to rank. You're just going to get more customers from it. But also with those being really authoric in who you are, what you do, so 1,500, maybe 2,000 words of content, so that way we can layer in other keywords, and those keywords are how people are actually searching for you. These images, we want to make sure that these images are, see this guy even has download, we want to even optimize even all the images as well with those keywords, which I'll go over keywords in just a minute. But if I go inside of Google here and type in cleaning services Green Bay, this is what you're going to see. You have this little map pack here at the very top. You have a bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top where all three this is where all three of the traffic where it happens. You have a bunch of businesses competing to get there, even multiple pages as well. Now, to get to the very top three right here, you're going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is come in here, go get those same citations that your top competitors have. We don't want to stop there though. We want to go out and completely outrank them. So we'd want to do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by, crawls, does all their algorithms, they see all the work that you've done, so they have no reason to put you in the very top right there. Now, if I can come back out, underneath the, you got some Google ads here at the very top as well. Google ads, they actually are starting to replace the old school ads. The old school ads been really spammy, so a lot of people have been going away from ads, but there are still people that still click on that, and you also got to get past ad blockers. But anyway, I'll go over CPC with you as well. That's cost per click if you do want to run ads. They can get pretty pricey if they're not done right, but you can still draw a decent amount of traffic from them as well. Underneath the ads, or underneath that map pack, we have all that organic traffic. This is where, about 70% of the traffic goes. 30% may go up in this little map pack. But really, to get ranked right here, you're going to be dealing with all that content, making sure you're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website. All you're doing is drawing power from it, so it pushes you on that first page of Google. Now, if I come in here and take a this guy's Mary Maid's Green Bay URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So these are these keywords that I was talking about. This is what people are searching for, and this is how he's being found. So cleaning services Green Bay WI, there's 80 clicks a month for that one keyword. He's first position off of Google. So he's bringing in 26 clicks out of the 80. So it's a pretty good ROI right there. Mary Maid's Green Bay, there's another 40 clicks. First position, he's getting 14 clicks. So coming in, finding all these keywords, and then you could sit there and add up all this traffic right here, and you want to be gauging about 15 to 20% of that total traffic. And he's even first position, but he's missing all the traffic because it's not even optimized as well. He's ranking for it, and he's not even getting the traffic for it. But that's another thing, making sure everything's optimized as well, because if there's nothing that's funnelized and they don't have a place to go, you're going to lose that traffic. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to put a custom game plan for you. Or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. I do love reviews, so if you want to come back, give me a review, that'd be great. Thanks. Have a good day.